Good evening traders and welcome to Whore Trader UK. It's currently Friday the 26th of November 2021 and the time has just turned 10 past 11 PM UK time. Traders, welcome back to the channel. If you've enjoyed the videos that I've put out, mainly in the second half of this year, still got a lot to upload to try and catch up in the latter part of this year, in the next month. Come across, subscribe to this channel and help it to grow. I will be looking to change the name of this channel in the next week or two. So if you have any ideas, guys, come across, leave me some notes. Let's see if you can come up with anything. Now, every now and again, traders, you have a trade idea and it doesn't work out. Now, when I mean it doesn't work out, I don't mean that you lose money. What I mean is that the trade looks attractive to you, okay? And you see an opportunity to take the trade, but if you take the trade, it means you've gone against your rules, okay? And then what happens is, even though you stuck with your rules and didn't take the trade goes in your direction anyway. Now, is that classed as a bad trade because I missed an opportunity? I want you to ask yourself that question. Is that trade classed as a bad trade because I missed an opportunity? And I'm going to show you what I mean in a moment. And the answer to that question, traders, is absolutely not. It's a bad trade if you go against your rules. So if you've got a trade whereby, if you went against your rules and you made money, that's a bad trade. Why? Because you went against your rules. You went against your trade plan, your trade system. And you see, your trading system, your trading plan is king. You do not deviate from your trade plan. It's what's going to keep you alive in this market. Let me show you what I mean. Here we are on the monthly chart of the Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. Now, I explained to you in the previous videos why I'm bearish the British Pound. Okay, I'm on a monthly chart and I showed you the patterns that I was interested in, and I showed you this level up here, and you can probably already see what's gone on here. Let me go down to the daily chart. Now, if you remember, I highlighted this area up here as being a level that I would like to get short at, but I also drew this trend line as being attractive, didn't I? I drew that trend line knowing that price could come down because I'm bearish, go up into that trend line and come down. However, I don't trade trend lines. I use trend lines for visual. I use trend lines to see, to see support and resistance, which this is. It's dynamic resistance. And look, when I see stuff like this, traders, it's just a beautiful, beautiful thing. Because there is a trader out there somewhere that will have spotted this and will have benefited from this trade. Now, this level up here is my alert, and as you can see, it says I actually would have had I've deleted it now, but I would have had a limit order at that level. I had a limit order at that level, and the reason I had a limit order at that level and not take the trade here is because there was a level of daily supply just above the market here. So I can remove this alert now. That alert is now gone. But look at this, guys. It's just beautiful, isn't it? And now this trade didn't go my way, but this is a good trade for me. Why? Because I didn't succumb to the temptation of going short here. Now, don't get me wrong. If I had, wow. If I had, where would I be? Wow. I'd be some 317 pips up. But in my heart, yes, the trading account the profit and loss would be looking good. But in my heart, I would know it's a bad trade. And guys, there's going to be another trade in this pair because I'm still bearish. I still think there's more down to go in this pair. I mean, look, if I go back up into the monthly chart, remember, I actually think that price could come down here. So there's going to be lots of opportunity traders, but I'm not going to be looking at this pair till 2021. So I hope that was a useful lesson to you. Sometimes you've just got to sit on your hands, and here's one of those times. So traders, thanks for sitting in. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. Stick to your plan, and I will catch you very, very soon. Take care, traders.